Hello, in this video I show you the location and how to replace the cabin filter on Mitsubishi Pajero. The cabin filter on this car is located behind the glove box. In order to get access to it, first we need to remove the glove box. To remove the glove box, we need to remove this thing that's holding it, and the same on the other side. And then we remove the glove box. We don't need to remove the glove box completely, just now that these two tabs are removed, just bring it down, and this is where the cabin filter is. To get access to the cabin filter, we need to remove those two bolts holding the cover, and then we take out the cabin filter. Now that the two bolts are removed, we're just going to take out the cabin filter. That's the cabin filter right there, and now we're going to replace it with a new one. This is the new cabin filter. Now we're going to put it in its place and put on the bolts and tighten them. Afterwards, we're going to put on the glove box, and then we're done with replacing the cabin filter. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.